What's up, guys? Will H, and today we are doing something totally different on my channel. I am unboxing a pair of sneakers. So I was in the market for a new pair of sneakers. I've never had a pair of Jordan shoes at all. I was one of the biggest Jordan fans back in the day, but I never took the time or wanted to spend that type of money for the shoes. I bought a lot of jerseys and shirts and stuff, but never the shoes. So I was in Shoe Corner the other day looking for a pair of shoes. And normally I buy a New Balance or a Sketcher or something like that, that type of shoe, for an old man, 61 years old. I always spent a lot of money on my work boots when I was working, but not a lot on my casual shoes. Well, the Skechers and the New Balance can be a lot of money, but I never went over $100 on the shoes. So I didn't know Jordan made this type of shoe. It's kind of similar on the same pattern or same build as the Skechers. This is called a Trunner. So I was looking online. I didn't find many videos about this. They also come in white. I got black and white. So I decided I'll make a video about it. So here's the packaging, the box that they come in. You're going to have Jumpman logo there. And you got the Jumpman logo here. And then on the other side over here, it's going to tell you that these are Jordan Trunner Flow, black and white. And then I got the 11.5. There's something on the bottom right here as well. I didn't see this till now. Just talking about the Jumpman brand. Looks like it. Now, I haven't wore these. I did take them out to try them on at the store. So it's not going to be, just like first time opening. You got the paper here that's going to have the number 23 on it. And then here are the shoes. So here's the type of shoe that I normally wear, but it's not a Jordan. It's like I told you earlier. So the shoe has Jordan on the back of it. It has a high white heel going around it. I think they're very nice looking. Got some mesh material there with some stripes. You do have Jordan on that part of it as well. You got the Jumpman logo there. And then you got the Jumpman logo on the bottom. So to me, these are very nice. Let me get the other one out. And like I said, I have never made a video about shoes, so I don't know exactly what to say, but I just know when I saw these, they were like $85, something like that. I went ahead and bought them. There's a touch of leather right here on the toe of it. You got that same leather going around here. And guess what? You got the Jumpman logo on the tongue as well. Jordan on the inside as well. So you are definitely going to know that this is a Jordan brand shoe. But what do you guys think about them? I think they're pretty nice looking. Glad I picked them up. Gonna see how comfortable they are this weekend. Will H, catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.